So, as I mentioned on the title screen, I'm still resting my locks. It's been about 6 weeks since my last retwist, but I'm doing everything I can to manipulate my locks as least as possible. So I can be seen here preparing my hair for a new kind of head wrap, and I've never tied my hair this way before, and I did not watch any tutorials on it, so I can be seen here fiddling around with this scarf and trying to get it to look the way I want it to look. It looked okay. I retied it and tied it several times, but I think by the end of this period, the end of this day at least, I had figured out something that looked okay to me. I secured the scarf to the shape of my head, and then I would twirl together the ends of the scarf. And then finally, just once I get the ends twisted together, just wrapping it around into a circle and tucking it into itself. I wore this all day. I went to the movies with my husband, etc. And it was a good look. I think I'd wear this kind of head wrap again, and it took me about 5 minutes or maybe even less to get it done.
Extra effort that I'm not quite sure that I want to do.
So yeah, as you can see, I'm very much into low maintenance styling and doing things that don't require me to manipulate my locks. Later on this same week, I was traveling for work, and so I decided to just style the front of my hair. I can be seen here applying a mixture of essential and carrier oils, just doing some maintenance on my hair to make sure that any lint that's accumulated while I was sleeping in the hotel bed is gone, and then of course wetting my locks. And I decided to just retwist the first row or two, and I'm using the same method that I always use, which is just to lightly retwist 3 locks at a time and then braid them together at the root.
So right now I have braided the first 3 rows and the rest of my hair is still untwisted. And I've also just grabbed sections of hair and made giant braids, which I'm using to prep for braid out. I will pull these out in the morning and we'll show you the final look. So the camera ran out of juice while I was retwisting, but here's the final product. Got a little wet in the shower this morning, but that's fine. I don't need it to be perfect, but if we go in there, you can see that I redid the first 2 or 3 rows. I use some locks from the edge to tie to the locks in the back. I have my hair half up, half down. This is my default go-to work style, especially when I'm traveling and I have no plans of actually retwisting my whole head. But yeah, this is my default go-to look. I have a presentation in a few hours I need to prep for this conference. So yeah, this is a go-to low maintenance hairstyle. I was hoping to get a little bit of a bump. I did a very loose braid last night. Kind of got some wave in my locks. A little bit of a wave. But yeah.
So that was week 6 of my low manipulation styling. As you can see, I did break down and twist the front row, but in general, I'm letting my locks just hang. Thanks for hanging with me this long, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.